Welcome to our i21 feature review tutorial. Today we'll be looking at our newest card fueling feature for usage alerts engine that is available in 18.3. This feature will allow you to configure alerts, review, and send them to customers. We will start with setting up messaging. This is located in Common Info, Report Messages. Here you can set up a specific message that will be printed or emailed with the alert. Our next setup will be for email configuration to receive the alerts. This is located in Sales, Customer. On the Contact tab, you can add an email distribution for CF alerts to one or more contacts. Next, we will configure the alerts engine. From the customer screen, we can access additional info, card fueling. This is also located on the menu via card fueling, accounts, and then from there you will access the quote tab. You can set up an account-wide alert for any time a card exceeds the count of transactions in a single day. In future versions, we'll be expanding the alert engine to include more configurations for missing odometer, unauthorized products, exceeding volume or dollar limits on a daily, weekly, or monthly time frame. Next, we'll demonstrate how to run the usage alert engine. This is located in the card fueling usage alert menu. This has three phases. Phase 1 is filter criteria and generation. You can enter a customer to filter on alerts for a single customer that needs additional attention, or leave it blank for all customers. You would regularly use transaction date to filter on the most recent transactions that have been imported. The network filter is optional and can be used if you have different timing on transactions available for different networks, such as Write Express lags 2 days, but PackPride is only lagging 1 day. Phase 2 is review. After the results are generated, you can review the results in the grid to see which alerts triggered and the corresponding transactions. You can also select specific records to print preview to the screen. This will show you a replication of the print format that would be sent to the customer. Phase 3 is distribution. You'll notice in the grid the notification column. When this is checked, that means one or more contacts at the company is set up for email distribution of CF alerts. By clicking the email button, any selected customer that is set up to get email notifications will be sent. Here's an example of the email that is sent to the customer. It will include standard text in the email and include an attached PDF of the alerts report. Thank you for watching our i21 card fueling usage alerts tutorial.